Hello, everyone, and welcome to Introduction to Health Careers Online. I am your course instructor, Elizabeth Hayward-Jansen, and I want to welcome you to class this semester. As we get started, I know everybody's been online, and hopefully you've all poked around a little bit. I can tell that most of you have seen and reviewed the course syllabus and submitted your statement that said something like, I have read and understand the course syllabus. And if you find that there are things you don't understand, please let me know. Send me an email so I can address that for the class. And I just wanted to kind of walk through some of the features of Moodle if you are new to the Moodle format. When you open the page, you'll see a welcome message. And when you scroll down, oops, it's a little delayed. You'll see the course syllabus in green here. And if you click on the syllabus, it doesn't immediately open, which is kind of annoying. So you have to actually go through the different chapters to get the information that you need. For example, most people are interested in how are the forums graded. And let's see, the method of evaluation and things like that. So go ahead, make sure you are familiar with the syllabus, as most of you are, because many of you have completed the assignment. And as you can see, we have dived right into the semester. Many of you have posted your introductory forums. Great job on those. Very, very, very awesome. And you're doing fantastic. And then know that I have opened up the first 3 weeks of class so that you kind of get a sense for how the rhythm of the class is going to go. I also want to call your attention to down towards the bottom, I opened up the midterm information for everyone to take a look to see what the big informational interview project is going to be. This is your major midterm assignment, and I want you to go ahead and get started as soon as possible. So if you know the career that you want to interview, please email me as soon as you are ready. Email me your top 3 choices. And our class is rather small, so hopefully everyone will be able to get their top number 1, 2, or 3 choice for a person to interview, a career to interview. Now, I usually don't allow very many overlap in careers just because typically everyone wants to go into the nursing program, or many people do, and so it doesn't leave a lot of career exploration that way, right? So if we have 15 presentations on nursing, and we'll probably learn something, but you'll learn a lot more if all of the presentations are diverse. And you yourself will learn more by branching out and exploring a new health career, right? There are 2 sample presentations on Moodle here for you to see. Now, these are not perfect presentations, but they should give you a general idea of what kind of work students have submitted in the past. And I purposefully didn't pick like the A+++ presentations because that's going to be yours, of course. Not that I haven't gotten them, because I certainly have. And then the bottom one, what is an informational interview, is just kind of a how-to. What is it? How do you do it? What do you need to collect? How do you prepare for it? And if you have any questions about that, please feel free to contact me. I'm happy to walk you through that project. All right, so without further ado, let's go back up to the top. Oops. And you can find my contact information. It should be on the side of your screen. Email is definitely the easiest, fastest, and best way to reach me, because for better or worse, I'm kind of tied to my device, as many of you may be as well. And my office is in the Center for Health Education building, or the CHE, which is kind of behind campus at the top of the hill to the right. You kind of go through the little neighborhood street there and you run right into the CHE building. You're welcome to come over anytime you want. I'm usually in my office hours on campus on Mondays and Wednesdays from 2 to 3. And I'm here much, much, much more often than that. But just send me an email. We can set up an easy time to meet Monday through Friday. Or we can do a video chat or a phone call or a Google chat or whatever is most convenient for you at any time. So just let me know. We can set something up. And that's kind of it. As you've read in the syllabus, most of the forums, you need to make an initial post by Wednesdays, and that's worth 10 points out of 20. And then you usually, typically for typical forums, you do 2 follow-up posts that are due by midnight on Sunday, and those are worth 5 points each. So for a total of 20 points per forum, which added all together at the end of the semester is going to be about 30% of your grade, or 300 points total. So they are really important. And if you post outside of the posting time frame, there's not going to be anybody left in the room to hear your comments. So it's really important that you make sure to get your comments in on time so that your voice is heard, because we want to hear from you. And if you have any questions, this is kind of just the nuts and the bolts. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to use the community forum or to send me an email specifically, and I can address your concerns. But I'm really glad you're joining us this semester, and I look forward to getting to know everyone better and hearing your ideas online. All right, take care.